Hi guys, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main riff of the song Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. It's a really easy guitar riff and most of my students really enjoy to learn this one. So take your guitar and let's begin. To play this guitar riff, we are not going to use chords. Instead, we're going to play a melody on the lower strings of the guitar. And we start with the first finger, index finger, on the second fret, fourth string. And we play that tone 2 times. Then we come with the pinky finger to the 5th fret of the same string, 4th string. Then we go back to the 2nd fret, and that line that you see under the next 2 number 2s, it's just a tie. It means that those 2 tones become 1. So we have to play only once that number 2. Okay? Then with the 4th finger, pinky finger, we come to the 5th fret, 5th string. And then 2nd finger, middle finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. And to end this riff, 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string. So it sounds like this. Okay, and they just keep repeating it many times on the intro and the verse. Let's try together. 1, 2, 3, and we repeat. Okay, let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, so on the intro and the verse, it's playing this over and over. And when we come to the chorus, when they start with the electric guitar, there they play the same riff once, and every other time they change it a little. It starts on the same way, but when we arrive there, that's the same. But there, now we are on the bar 5, 6, 7, 8. We do like this. 3, 5, 3, 2. So that second melody on the bar 7 and 8 sounds like this. Show you one more time. Let's try bars 7 and 8 together. 1, 2, 3, and. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and. So when we put together the bars 5, 6, 7, and 8, it sounds like this. And they repeat it many times. Let's try together. Bars 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and. Okay, let's try again, but this time we are going to repeat. So we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time, and... And that was Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be updated with my new videos. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can also follow me on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, or you can visit my website EasyGuitarTube.com, where you're going to find more tutorials like this one and tabs. Thanks for watching. I see you on the next video.